Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're actually going to be trying out some new products. Now they're not hair related, but of course all of us girls love to have our face beat for God. So we are going to be trying this new makeup line that is by the company SHEIN. You know, that company that makes all the really cute clothes. Their makeup line is called SHEGLAM, and I am going to be trying out their foundation. Their foundation is called the SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Foundation. This foundation you can only buy on SHEIN. You can only buy it from them, so you can't go anywhere else to get it. And I am really excited because it is something that is very affordable for somebody that wants to have foundation but is not really trying to spend all their money. And the best thing about the foundation is that they come in 30 different shades. That means there's something for everybody, which is perfect for those of us who are people of color. It's always really hard to find something that fits you. So 30 shades, you're bound to find something that fits you. Okay, so let me show you what I received. Okay. So what they sent me in the box, along with the foundation, there is, which I have not taken it out of the package at all, one of the spongy things. So this spongy thing, and I've not taken it out of the package, as you can see. So you are unboxing this with me. So a sponge thingy majiggy. So I cannot wait to try this, and it says SHEGLAM on it. Oh, I love it. Okay, so yeah, so spongy thingy and an eyeliner, which just makes me want to do my eyes. So I'm going to do my lids today. I'm very excited about it. I have not played in makeup for so long because of this pandemic, so I am about to go crazy on my face. And then I have to get these out of the bubble. This is the package, and it just looks nice and chic, and it tells you what shade you got. And so I got the shade Camel, and then I also have 2 more shades just in case I picked the wrong one. So there's Earth and Toffee as well. So I will let you know at the end which one I am, because I am horrible at picking shades, like horrible. But I was pretty sure I was Camel, but like I said, we'll see. Okay. Ooh. They got it in like this little like velvetyness. I don't even know. I don't know what you call this, but that's fancy. Okay. Okay, SHEGLAM. Ooh. Okay, the top, look, it's like, it's gold. And it's a SHEGLAM, so that's nice. Okay, so it is a pump. It is a pump. Let's swatch it and see what this thing can do. I really want to see if it's matte. I care a lot about whether foundations are matte because I have oily skin, like I always do. As you can tell, I've always struggled with acne, and so I care about all these things because I need to know if it's going to cover all of these scars over here. I am going to test it out on this side of my face because, as you can see, I have pimples currently and I have marks. So we're gonna see if it will cover it, but I'm going to test it out on my arm first. Their eyeliner is so cool. It got one side is liquid and then the other side is gel. Okay, so let it dry. Okay, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Okay, they obviously cover it, and I just did one squirt. Just by looking from far away, I'm the middle shade. The middle shade is Camel, so you can see it a little bit. But of course, if I just put more on it, obviously it should cover it just fine. So let me put some primer on my face, and I'm also going to do my eyeshadow as well and lashes because I want to look cute. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am now done with my eyes. I just did something kind of basic with them, and I just wanted some nice cute goldy pinky shimmer, and I put on the lashes already. So now it's time for us to put on the foundation. This is again the SHEGLAM Pro foundation, the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I have the color Camel, and I am going to just do one squirt. And it doesn't feel heavy at all. Okay, this is looking really good. So far, I am feeling pretty confident with this. It definitely is my shade, and it does not feel heavy. I don't feel it on my pores. In a lot of foundations, especially liquid foundations, you can feel them in your pores, and this is the coverage that I usually see. But no, let's put some more on. Okie dokie, so I am done. I did the complete face, and I did my eyebrows, my eyelashes, everything. Now I just have to wait 6 hours. So we're gonna wait 6 hours to see how well this does on my face. I got really worried about it because I thought it just wouldn't be fair to test this out if I didn't put anything on my face, like any setting spray or powder. So I went ahead and powdered myself up. I didn't put too much. I just put some like here and here, and I didn't put any here, but I put some here and here. And so this is just kind of like just a basic look. This is just the foundation. There is no concealer at all, except for like underneath my eyebrows, but there's no concealer at all on my face. This is just the foundation. And so from what I can see, it looks really good. This is still the swatch that was on my hand. So this is just one layer of all 3 of the shades that I had. And this is my shade Camel on my face. So right now it is full 12. Yeah, 412. I will check back at 10:12 tonight. I will wear this makeup on my face until the end of the night, and it's Friday night, so it's fine. I'll hopefully go somewhere and wear this makeup. This is also supposed to be waterproof and sweatproof, so let me go grab a water bottle. Okay, and water bottle. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, that thing is waterproof. Let me spray it one more time. Hold on. Yeah, you guys still see the 3 dividing lines from when I put all 3 of the foundations. That is awesome. 6 hours later. Okay, so I am coming from Longhorn. Me and my baby just had a date night tonight, and so I see that the lighting is really good. So I wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks like. So this is what 6 hours of makeup looks like, and I think that it did a really good job. I did not dab my face. This is authentically what the makeup looks like after 6 hours. So I would definitely say that it is pretty long wear. It does transfer onto the mask, but what makeup doesn't? So I am pretty happy with the results. I'm back home. So this is what my face looks like after almost 7 hours. And see, that would give me like another few hours. Another few hours if I wanted to wear it, but I'm about to take this off. I feel like my skin is pretty clean. It's not like greasy or anything like that. I think I found my new foundation because this is a really, it just looked really good on me. I really love it. I'm very excited about this new makeup line. It is exclusively on Shein's website. I will make sure to link all of the links on how to get the foundation in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests from me on things that you will love to see on this channel, please go right ahead and comment down below all the things that you would love to see here. I love you guys, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day. All right, bye.
Kingdom culture, yeah, I'm on that, cause the Lord woke me up one more again, so I rep them whenever I'm on camera. All I'm saying is I call on dad with scripture. I keep a lot of them like Walmart bags.